Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Profit Activators, where every day we're going to show you how to make sure you put more cash, ching ching and bling bling in your pocket. Today we're going to talk about how the IRS paid me to eat. That's right, the IRS will pay you to eat. My name is Albert Corey, and I've been assisting my business clients for almost 40 years, saving them over $60 million. So every day we come on, or as much as we can, because this, by the way, this is a real tax office, phone rings, everything happening. So this is real. So today we're going to talk about a near and dear to my subject is eating. Yeah. Everybody eats, everybody eats. So today we're going to show you how the IRS will pay you to eat. That's right. Going out to dinner could be a tax deduction. That's right. It is. There's certain rules, which we're going to tell you about in a second, but it's a deduction. Very simple. It's because the IRS rule says, what are you doing to move your business forward? A couple of things I will tell you. I will guarantee you if you go out to lunch with your coworkers, and by the way, this only works if you have a small business. A small business is maybe you got a corporation open, or you're a realtor, doctor, Indian chief, almost anything but a W-2 employee. Because guess what? I will guarantee you that when you go out to dinner, you're going to talk shop with somebody. Guaranteed. The fact you're going to talk shop to anybody now will make you a deduction because maybe you had to take them. There's no doubt why people have country club memberships because it's you want to wine and dine them at the highest places. Well, that's why it's a deduction because it's a way to get them out there. So now it becomes a deduction. IRS rules say that 50% will be deductible. So if you go out to dinner, you take out somebody and you talk to about shop, or even if it's only for a couple of seconds, it now becomes a deduction. If you give us a little second, please hold for our sponsor.
Did you max out your small business deductions to invest in your company? Did you take the 3 major deductions that are always missed? They could be saving you enough money to hire a new employee. Corey & Associates have asked the questions to get you the best accounting and tax advice. We file all the forms to file all federal, state, corporate, and business returns. We keep up with all the changes in the new tax laws so you don't have to. Would you pull your own tooth or go to a dentist? It's the same with bookkeeping. Let Corey & Associates do the bookkeeping for you. Now you'll have extra time to work on your business. With our fax and email services, it's done just like as if you were sitting right next to us. Please call 305-823-9228 or email Albert at 1040w2.com for our free consultation.
Thank you. Thank you for our sponsorship. So we're going to show you our office. We do this every day. Here's another little known fact. So if you have a banquet or a party and it's used as a marketing event, then guess what? Then all of that could be deductible because you're pretty much getting them there to the event and the venue. So that all event could be all tax deductible. But right now, what we're talking about today is, you go out to dinner. Okay, you go out to dinner, you bring up some friends. And even if it's not, you're not going to talk shop. As long as maybe you asked the waiter, you gave him a business card, especially if you're a realtor, an MLM guy. If you're a realtor, MLM guy, something that you got to drive traffic. Maybe you're a roofer. All right, giving them a business card. Because why does this become a tax deduction? Because you just don't know by giving out that card that, guess what? That could be your customer. I mean, I can tell you so many times I've gone out to dinner, gone to Disney World, gone to whatever, and I started talking to somebody in the street. That now made that trip a deduction, but that person always also became a customer. Okay, it became a client. And I'm not saying, oh, blah, blah. No, that when they start saying, what do you do? What do you do? And then maybe you hand them a card. So, when you're at dinner or lunch, just even when you're paying the bill, everybody should have business cards. Slip a business card when you start paying a bill. That will make it a tax deduction. Well, that's it for today's show. I always say sharing is caring. Because you're watching this today, we're going to give you a free consultation. So if you call the number below, 305-823-9228, we'll give you a free tax evaluation. We will answer all your questions. This is a live office that I'm in every day in Hialeah, Florida. If you're in the Miami area, please call us. We have walk-ins. You can come in, you can say hi, and we're here every day during the season. If you're not in the area, we have email service. Believe it or not, almost a third of what we do today, and we did last year 4,700 tax returns. About a third is done by email, where you send it to us. We do the return, and we'll call you back and go as if you were sitting back to you. And we've been doing this way since the days of fact. You know what that is. Well, that's it for today's show. Like I always say, sharing is caring. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.